During the Explore phase, one of the key things I'm looking for are students who came up against some sort of difficulty and how they made their way around it. And I'm going to be trying to cue into what people drew conclusions pretty rapidly and were confident, and which ones they struggled a little bit, to know who I would like to call on during the summary phase. And I may even cue them in, like, I want to hear from you. During the summary phase, I'm thinking about what questions will I pose to students to bring out their misconceptions as well as the things that they were on the right track about. And I might be prompting some kids that I saw get stuck and say, hey, you know, when you had that little moment where you weren't sure, can you talk to the class about what you did to fix that or to get back on the right track? Because learning from mistakes is often where we get a lot of mileage in that summary phase of the lesson. In parts B and C, because the figures are rotated, instead of next to each other, one's rotated sideways, they have difficulty lining up which are the corresponding sides. So they're used to looking at them like this and say, this corresponds to this, instead of now the shape has been turned, so now what corresponds? So what I'm going to do is pose some questions along the lines of, so which missing measurements were really easy for you to find and why were they? And that might be when that misconception comes out. And some goes, wait a minute, I disagree with that claim. So students are going to have a chance to correspond to whatever someone said and say, hey, what are you thinking there? Because I don't quite agree with you.